Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw Hanuman Ji. We will start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a large oval for his head and a slightly smaller one for his powerful torso. Then, use simple lines to map out his limbs, ensuring you capture the dynamic flow of his pose. This initial framework is crucial for building a well-proportioned and balanced figure, setting the stage for all the intricate details to come. Now let's refine the details of his form. Focus on his face, giving him expressive eyes and a strong, determined jawline. Next, define his muscular physique, highlighting the contours that convey his immense strength and agility. Don't forget to carefully outline his iconic crown and earrings, ensuring they are symmetrical and add to his majestic presence. These steps bring his character to life. Moving on, we will add his traditional attire and powerful accessories. Carefully draw his dhoti, allowing the fabric to drape naturally around his form. Next, include his formidable gada or mace, which is a key symbol of his strength and divine power. Finally, sketch his long, flowing tail, often depicted with a graceful curve, adding to his unique and recognizable silhouette. These elements complete his iconic look. For our final steps, we will bring your drawing to life with finishing touches. Gently erase all your initial construction lines, leaving a clean outline. Then, apply shading to create depth and volume, emphasizing the powerful contours of his muscles. Consider adding subtle textures, like fine fur on his body and tail, to enhance realism. These final details will make your depiction of Hanuman Ji truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.